Really?
Michelle found the mother load of
Chanterelles.
chanterelles. Look at these babies.
Hey, look
They're
at them all up there.
huge.
But look at all those up there.
They're huge.
This is just nuts.
There's some up there. Oh wow, they're all up there.
That's why I said, look at, that's, wait, no it's not.
They're big.
Mm-hmm, and healthy, very healthy.
Yeah.
All right, sorry.
Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. Today we're at Indian Creek Shelter Nature Preserve, Giant City State Park. Shelter Bluff on this trail still bears evidence, prehistoric inhabitants, flakes of chert. So, pretty interesting. Semi-rugged. We disagree. Alright, one good thing about this trail, it has a pretty creek. Indian Creek. It's pretty.
It's flowing today.
It's flowing pretty good today. Yep. Very pretty. Ooh, I'd probably do the moonwalk on this. Very pretty creek. The trails, we got a flash flood on the trail here. A little deeper right there. Just a pretty little area. Nice little trail. You rarely see me anymore. Once I got away from GoPro, I never really did selfies anymore. The big camera's a little hard to do a selfie on. Guess it's the first time we've been here when it's wet, because I've never noticed this waterfall here before. Pretty waterfall. In case you want to learn more about this particular trail, if you've never been, now is the time to pause and read the screen. Very nice waterfall. Very pretty. Peaceful. Wonder if the natives would sit there. Wonder if the natives would sit and watch it. So it was likely that natives would get up here and this would be their little dwelling. And they'd sit up here and sleep and make their arrowheads and their tools with chert. And kind of live a look at them. Those trumpets.
Oh wow, those are pretty. No, because the trumpets don't grow right on the wood.
Okay.
The edible ones don't.
Some pretty mushrooms. Pretty cool mushrooms. Oh, another little waterfall. That's pretty cool. All right, folks, if you can look, right up here is a little cairn.
I'm not going to be able to do it.
Michelle's going to try to hit it with a rock.
I need a bigger rock.
Oh, almost.
No.
Oh.
I need a bigger rock.
There you go.
No.
No?
There's critters under it.
Okay. Yep. Oh, man, I got to shut the camera off. It's going to get hot in here. That's just really pretty. That kind of made this trail worth visiting today. Seeing that. I like seeing Giant City waterfalls active.
Giant City is just pretty on its own.
Oh yeah. It doesn't need much to make this park pretty. It's an awesome park. Very awesome park. Very awesome park. It's like a jungle. Like a jungle. Well, howdy. Cool little area. Cool little area. Nope. Thought maybe there's some chert there. Coming to another pretty creek. Pretty creek crossing. I like this creek. I think this is a really good, very pretty creek. Especially when it's flowing. It's really pretty. Even for a muddy creek, you know. It's just a good looking creek. More exciting video footage for y'all. See ya. 2 cairns down.
3 actually.
3?
3 for me, 2 here.
Oh yeah. She had one at Little Grand. And she has video of it too, so I'm not the only videographer. No. All right, folks, that was Indian Creek Shelter Nature Preserve, and it was pretty semi-rugged. But I think at one point I had to step over a downed log, so down limb, so pretty rugged, semi-rugged. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And be sure to use these if you go to other places. And thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. And until next time, Buford, the little Bigfoot, will see you on the trail. And Michelle.